What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? So today, obviously, I'm going to be absent. So I am not on campus, believe it or not. So because of that, I wanted to create a quick video for you guys for something you guys can do over the next couple of days. So back when I was in high school, we used to play a game called Hacky Sack at lunch or at recess. Just something to do. We stand around with our friends. We really didn't have much room. Kind of like you guys have this year, actually, when you guys come out and you play just outside the cafeteria. So we went and we would buy a little bag, and it was just a little round bag full of bean bags, right? And we would play a game called Hacky Sack, where we would kick the ball, or the bag up in the air, and try to keep the bag up in the air as long as we can. Now, I don't have a Hacky Sack, okay? And chances are, you guys at home, you guys don't have one either. But here's the good news. The good news is you can use lots of different things as a Hacky Sack. So right here, I have just a regular old little bean bag, which will work perfect. Some ideas for you guys at home if you don't have a bean bag. Idea number one, you guys can take socks and you can roll them up into a ball, and they will work just as well for a bean bag or a Hacky Sack. Your second option, you guys can use a paper ball. So literally just take a piece of paper, crumple it up into a ball, and then you have a Hacky Sack. So everybody at home can do this. There's no reason for someone not to do it, and you can do it in such a small space. So no one should be sitting around doing nothing, okay? All right, now, first thing, I'm gonna show you some basic steps that you guys can do with your Hacky Sack. So first thing you wanna do, I want everybody to hold out your Hacky Sack just like this. You're gonna drop it, and then you're gonna kick it with your dominant foot. Remember, what's your dominant foot? That's right, it's the foot that is the side of the body that you write with, okay? It's your stronger side. All right, so we're gonna hold out our beanbag, we're gonna drop it and kick it up in the air, okay? Let's try that again. You're gonna get your beanbag, hold it up, and kick it with the top of your foot. Bonus points if you can catch the Hacky Sack, okay? All right, I want everybody to go ahead and pause the video now and try it on your own. All right, welcome back. So now we're gonna try to do the same thing, but now we're gonna use the top of our foot on the other side. So we're gonna hold out our beanbag. You're gonna take your foot and kick it up. Oh, I missed, and that's okay. That's gonna happen. Hold it out, drop it, and kick it. And it went over there. So it might take you a few tries to get it up, okay? So I want you guys right now, go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and try it on the other side. All right, how did it go? Were you able to do it? All right, so we were using the top of our foot just now. What part of our foot do we use when we're passing a ball in the game of soccer? Does anyone remember? We did it earlier this year. That's right, we use the inside of our foot. So the second part of your foot that you use when you're playing Hacky Sack is the inside of your foot. Very often that's just to kind of pass it back up to yourself. So we're gonna try that with our dominant foot. You're gonna take your Hacky Sack out, kick it up, and catch it. So just try it again, up, and if you can, again, bonus points if you can catch it. All right, give that a shot, see how you do. Don't forget to pause the video. All right, good job, guys. Now we're gonna try our other side, okay? So we're gonna try our non-dominant side. We'll hold it out, we'll kick it up. Oh, and again, sometimes it's a little harder with your offside. All right, up, and we got it. All right, one more try. Up, and we missed it. Go ahead, pause the video and give that a shot. All right, next, we're gonna try to use our knee. You're gonna drop the Hacky Sack, and you're gonna try to hit it up with your knee. Now, when you're striking it with your knee, you are gonna need to bring your knee up very fast, because your knee is not gonna go as fast as the end of your foot unless you drive it up really quickly. So you can try either knee. You're gonna go up and hit it up in the air and try to catch it, okay? So take your hacky sack, hit it up, and try to catch it. You can also do your other side. Hit it up and try to catch it. Coach isn't doing real good, but with a little practice, you guys should be able to do it, okay? All right, let's have you guys pause the video and try that now. All right, welcome back. Now we're gonna try one more thing, and I don't even know if I can do this. I haven't tried it yet. So if the ball, if the hacky sack goes to the outside of you, you can use the outside of your foot as well and kick it up. So we're gonna take the hacky sack, we're gonna hold it out and kick it up with the outside of our foot. Give that a try. Drop it down and try to kick it up with the outside of your foot. You can do either side. It's not easy. One more try, we're gonna get this one up. There we go, we got it up. Oh, we almost caught it. Okay, so let's pause the video one more time. Give it a shot, see if you can do that. All right, welcome back. Now for the last part of our hacky sack lesson. I want you guys to see how many body parts you can hit or how many times you can keep the hacky sack up. So, for example, I can take the hacky sack and I can go 1, 2, oh, I only had it once. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And try to keep that hacky sack up as much as you can. You can throw it, start it going out, kick it up, kick it out. So I did the top of my foot and the outside of my foot, and I was able to hit it 2 times. You may be able to hit it high enough, land it on your head. You can kick it high enough. I've even seen people catch it on their back or catch it on their knee. So your job is to take your hacky sack and see if you can work around keeping it up. And then when you get really good and lots of practice, maybe you can have your mom or dad come out and play with you guys during class, or even later on after they get off of work, and you can show them what you were doing in PE. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys when I get back to school, okay? All right, bye everybody.